Welcome to a tour of cabin number 6677 on the Disney Dream, an inside stateroom with a magical porthole. I was solo, but this cabin can sleep up to 4 cruisers at 169 square feet. This cabin is superior in size for solos, with the added touch of the magical portal, with real-time views of the outside and the enchanting surprises of floating Disney characters. This is a cabin tour of interior cabin 6677. You can use your magic band or your key card to enter the cabin. Once you walk in, on the back of the door is your assembly station information. And you have your locks on the door. They have these door hangers to indicate that you do not want to be disturbed. You just hang this on the outside of your door. Here is your temperature control. And down below, you do need to have your key card here to operate the lights. I haven't checked to see if it'll work with something that's not your actual cruise line card, but you do have to have a card here. And of course, these operate the room lights. Now to the left are our closets, so let's open these up. In this first closet, above we have our life jackets. We have hanging space if it was set up with bunk beds, and it has a ladder here that you can use. You can use this as a shelf space. There's your safe and additional shelves for storage. And a little cubby space down here as well. Now checking out the other side, let's see what's over here. And this has more shelves for storage. Around to the bathroom, and here's your light for your bathroom. Caution, watch your steps, so you do need to step up when entering the bathroom. Now starting with the door has a full-size, full-length mirror. Going inside the bathroom, you have shelving on this side of the wall, your towels, makeup towel, you have your basin, and there is sea salt hand soap, your tissues, and you have a lower area. There's your waste bin, but you can probably store a few items down there if you need to. And there's a sharps container. I guess they put these in each room. And your towels. Plenty of towels. And we have a tub. Has a curtain, but as you see, the tracks go outward, which is always great. So when you're taking a shower, that helps to keep the shower curtains off of you. It looks like an adjustable shower head, pretty standard controls. You do have a grab bar here, and they do have sea salt, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. There is a clothesline. There's actually 2 clotheslines that you can use if you need it. Now there's only an outlet for razors. There's not an outlet in the bathroom that I can see, but that is our bathroom. Now going inside the cabin, to the left is our desk area to turn on. There we go. So starting on the left, we do have cabinet area at the top with 4 glasses. The desk has 3 drawers. There's your hair dryer. That's where that's stored, and a couple of more drawers for you. Across the desk, you have outlets. There's an international outlets and then 2 US outlets. There's quite a few switches here. Okay, I see those are lights. Those are the overhead lights. This is the mirror light. So there are your connections. And there's a desk chair. It does have somewhat of a back, and it is pretty heavy, pretty sturdy. There's a drawer here, a little stationary, and this looks like door hangers for perhaps room service. Yes. And let's see, so room service, we have to have this out by 3 a.m. I guess this is complimentary. I don't see anything about a fee, but I will verify that and let you know. And wow, I haven't seen anything like this in a while. These are postcards? Wow. That's nice. And you have a large mirror here, a light above your mirror to give you lots of lighting. Over here, you do have 2 upper cabinets where you can store items. Here is your TV. It's a smaller TV, but I'm not much of a TV watcher when I'm in my room anyway, so that is fine. And below, this looks like this should be where our refrigerator is. Open that, and that is our refrigerator. Moving to the other side, next we have our sofa. And this light, let me see. Oh, looks, I see a little switch on the end here. So there's a little light over the sofa. That's our wall decor. And there's a nice little sturdy table here. Now this is a connecting cabin, but I've stayed in connecting cabins before and usually don't have a problem when I'm staying in one on one side by myself. And there is a curtain here. I guess if I had someone in the room, I could close this space off if someone wanted to stay up and watch television. So this bed looks very, oh, this bed is soft, very comfortable, but double-sized bed. And I'm sure these can be split into two if there are two in the room. Beside the bed, there is your phone. There's a little drawer here if you want to store some items near your bed. Little shelving space and light switches. And one of these switches operates the virtual window that we have there. Now going around to the other side, again, your light switches, shelving space, little cubby, and I do see an outlet. We have an international and US outlet, so that's on this side of the bed only. And this was a tour of cabin 6677, an inside stateroom on the Disney Dream. Ready to set sail? Contact me to plan and book your next cruise experience, or join me on one of my group cruises or sailings.